G'day folks, this is Joel from Westcom. We're doing another flush on the Husqvarna ride-on. We're about to put some flushing oil concentrate in it. Now this Husqvarna has had a flush before. It was pretty grotty and grimy and had a major flush, so this is just a normal flush. The major flush is added at 12.5 mil to the litre. The maintenance flush is only 2.5 mil to the litre. Now I think it's only 2.5 litres in there, so it's only going to be like about 6 mil or something. So we're just going to do a swatch before and after. I'm going to put it here on the paper just to see the difference to the oil colour after the flush has been added, to show you how much the flush really does pull out. I'm just going to get a bit more oil off this dipstick, take a few more spots here. Now this oil was changed roughly about probably not quite 12 months ago, 8 months ago. It's had nearly a season of summertime of mowing. And the purpose of doing this is that once I put the flush in it, I'm going to bring it back and I'm going to show you the difference in colour to show you how much rubbish this pulls out of the engine using an oil flush. So I'll put the flush in, take the mower away for 30 minutes, use it, bring it back hot, and we'll come back. So catch you soon, folks. Hey folks, Joel from Westcom. Husqvarna. Just as you saw before, put some oil flush compound, ran around, mowed the lawn, about half hour, come back. So let's see if any different to the oil colour. Now this particular engine has been already had a major flush, so I don't expect to see anything remarkable compared to, like, say, the yeah, it's definitely darker than what it was previous. There's the previous. It's a lot more muddier looking, whereas the oil was red beforehand. So it's definitely pulled something out. Now normally if you just change your oil, that something would not have come out, because as you can see, as we videoed before, that's annoying, that the oil looked quite good. It is quite discoloured now. It was a bright sort of red colour previously. It's now sort of a muddy red, and you can see distinctly that there is a brown substance, which will be carbon and varnish, that's now on there. You can even see on the end of the dipstick the oil is quite brown, and even you can see between the two, it's a lot darker there than it is here. So we're going to dump the oil, put some new oil in, put some anti-wear in, and we'll close this video off. So catch us soon, folks. G'day folks, just something interesting I've noticed. I've popped the sump on the Husky, dumping the oil out. Now we checked it before with the dipstick and it was a little browner, but of course all the rubbish settles to the bottom. Look at this. Look at the colour of the oil there. Way darker. All the rubbish settles on the bottom. Now I'm actually going to just get a bit of that and put it on the swatch, just so that we can see the contrast, because all the rubbish settles in the bottom, and as you can see, that's quite dark. So that really has taken a lot out. Now that is just from its annual service, which really shows you the value of using a flushing oil compound concentrate like this, because if you didn't use that, then all that rubbish just stays in your engine, because when you change the oil, it would run out like the first lot. Yet as you can see in this hose, and there's what's dribbling on there, that is really dark and putrid, which that flush has really cleaned that out, which I'm quite impressed with. So we'll go ahead and fill this up with some new oil once it's drained and some anti-wear. So catch you in 5, folks. Okay folks, Joel from Husqvarna. So we've just put 50 ml of anti-wear in there, and now going to fill up for oil. So I've got my multi-grade here. Now she takes about 2 litres, so it's going to be about 20 pumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to check after 10 just to make sure that we don't overfill it. It's about half full. Go 5 and see. So righto folks, she's full now, 15 pumps. So we'll put her in there. Just had flush, new oil, new gen, some multi-grade oil that's suitable for both petrol and diesels. So we'll give her a kick in the guts and see how it goes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now notice when I started it, the throttle was actually pushed down to minimum. Not on the run. Now before I added anywhere, it would never start like that. In fact, it would flatten the battery trying to start it. Quite often the kids or the wife would try and start it, and with the throttle down there instead of here, flatten the battery. But now with the anti-wear in it, she spins over in 5, and it'll even drive on the actual minimum idle. So that's an oil change on the Husqvarna using the cost-effective products. We'll catch you later folks, bye.